Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check and show FPS or frame rate in Lords of the Fallen. First, open your Steam application on your computer. Now click the Steam logo at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings. Go to the In-Game tab on the Steam settings. Look for the in-game FPS counter, and on the side of it, click the downward arrow icon. Then choose where do you want to show the FPS, and so that you can check the FPS while playing Lords of the Fallen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.